Now, in summary of your acids, okay, you have learned that acid is a substance which produces hydrogen ions when it is dissolved in water. So actually, all acids can dissolve in water. If it doesn't, it is definitely not an acid. Next one, it must contain hydrogen. So if it doesn't contain hydrogen, that means most probably that's rubbish. It's not an acid. So I've also introduced you to three examples. You have your first one, hydrochloric acid, your second one, your nitric acid, and third one, your sulfuric acid. Then we went on to talk about the physical properties of your acids. They have sour taste, they dissolve in water to form solutions which can conduct electricity. Now, why can they conduct? It's because they have free moving ions such as your H plus ions, and these act as your mobile charge carriers. Okay, you also know that some of the other physical properties is that it turns blue litmus paper red. Next up, we also have some of the other properties. Okay, in this case, these are not actually physical properties. I will classify them as other properties. Okay, this is that where pH less than 7, that's your acid. Okay, they dissolve in water to produce H plus ions, a definition, yet still a property. Then we went on to talk about the chemical properties. So some example of your chemical properties. Okay, they react with reactive metals. This is the first one, first chemical property. Second one, they react with carbonates. The last one, they react with alkali or bases. Okay, then the last part, the very, very summary of it, which is important, is actually here. You must know what type of salts are produced by the different acids. Okay, sulfuric acid produce what type of salts? You will end off, your salt name will end off with the word sulfate. Okay, let me get a different color. Okay, sulfate. Nitric acid, your salt name will end off with the nitrate. And last one, hydrochloric acid, your salt name will end off with the word chloride. So just take note of this. We'll have more examples when you go back to school to do some practice.